Good morning everybody, or good afternoon, or good evening, or good night, wherever you may be tuning in from this new incredible and very beautiful AMK's video. Like the previous video, I will speak regarding this model kit, the Dragon Cargo Spacecraft version 1. But you stay attention because this time I will speak regarding the 3 versions that you can make with this incredible model kit. Look, in my point of view, this model kit, this AMK's model kit is the best. And this because thanks to the pieces that you can find inside the carton box, you can make 3 different versions. The Dragon Cargo Spacecraft version 1, you can see the pictures on this in the front side of the carton box. You can make the Dragon Lab, that you can find the picture in the opposite side of the carton box. And the third option, in my point of view, is the best, because you stay attention please, a sci-fi subject, is a real subject, because in the past, many years ago, the SpaceX technician studied this version for make a mission to the Hubble Space Telescope, with the target of this mission is to make a resupply mission or a upgrade mission to the Hubble Space Telescope. And you can find all information regarding this version of the Dragon version 1 in these documents. One moment please. In this document that you can find on internet. Eventually, if you have interested regarding this version of the Dragon version 1, I'm so sorry for these play words, I put at the end of this video all information regarding this document that in my point of view is very interesting and beautiful. Now I show you some pages of these documents, because I found all information inside this document. Example, the first, these incredible pictures where you can see the Dragon Cargo, the Dragon Manned version 1 docked to the Hubble Space Telescope, or eventually this, where you can see the Dragon version 1 version manned with a remote manipulator system and the Hubble Space Telescope. And I think that this subject is very interesting, because you can have in your space collection a Dragon with you can have a Dragon manned, Dragon version 1 manned with a cargo bay, and I think that is very interesting. So now I proceed to explain, and I show you all pictures regarding this incredible project. As already mentioned before, I would like to clarify that this version of the Dragon is not the result of fantasy or sci-fi, but it was created by me based on a real document relating to a project that years ago SpaceX conceived with the aim of carrying out a manned, maintenance or upgrade mission to the Hubble Space Telescope. When I saw this document for the first time, I was surprised, and the idea of realizing this project for my collection immediately materialized in my mind. The conversion works of this Dragon are extremely simple. It will be enough for you to look carefully at the pictures I have inserted in this video, and you will be able to carry out the necessary work to ensure that you can enrich your collection with this really interesting subject. I point out that within this model kit you will not find the pieces to enrich the cargo bay of this Dragon. All these pieces were made by me using my parts bank. With the recent proposal published via the internet of the intention to use the Dragon version 2 for a mission to the Hubble Space Telescope, probably the Polaris Dawn mission, I decided to shelve this project while keeping the Dragon spacecraft already built. If you too are interested in creating this version of the Dragon spacecraft, thus making your collection truly complete, you just need to get the model kit produced and distributed by the AMK, and you can make the necessary changes, which are very simple. As for the Hubble Space Telescope model kit, you can easily find it on the market. It's not perfect, but it's a good starting point for making something really extraordinary. So guys, also this time we have finished. Don't forget to hit subscribe and to turn on the notification feature to make sure that you won't miss any new AMK's model kits. Bye! And don't forget, AMKs, always!